Hi, so hi Kush.
Hi, Kush.
So what do you do? Tell me, and where are you from?
Hi, I'm from Ahmedabad, and currently I work as a visual and creative strategist. I work with a couple of apparel brands or lifestyle brands, and I do a lot of their social media branding and a lot of creative strategy for the content that goes up on their
Oh,
digital
lovely.
platforms. Yeah.
Yeah. So what brings you here? Like, have you come on a vacation or what?
No, so yeah, definitely a
Yeah.
vacation, but not treating it as like one. So last year I was here for a pottery course and I stayed here for about 2 months. I did my course and then I just lived here, explored the town and
Yeah.
was here and I felt like this certain connect here, felt really me here. I felt like I discovered a lot about
Yeah.
myself here when I was here last year and I kind of stuck to that feeling. I went back, I started work. I was initially going to do pottery when I went back, but it didn't really work out. So I started this and it was going well, but there was something that was still missing in this
Yeah.
whole like feeling of community again, like being around community, being
Yeah.
around like-minded people, being around people who kind of like just create because they want to and not
Yeah.
because they have to.
Yeah.
And
True.
we thought, like my friend, both of us thought that it could be cool to maybe, come here and then start something here
Yeah.
where we could bring all these like-minded people together, either people who are living here or maybe people
Yeah.
from the cities who want that break
Yeah.
or want that just freedom
Yeah.
to get them here and give them a great experience. So
Yeah.
now we're here currently to build this artist collective. It's
Oh
called
wow.
Communique.
Oh
It's
wow.
like community and then Nikhil and Khushi. So
Oh
Communique.
how sweet.
And yeah, it'll be like a collective where bunch of people, like whatever your medium of expression is, just come here, enjoy like a really intentional curated event,
Yeah.
either that's directed completely through music or
Yeah.
directed completely through art or combining the two, and even stepping across from this and maybe curating like a stay for people from the cities to come experience Dharamkot the way we did last year, just not like
Yeah.
roaming around at cafes or
Yeah.
stuff like that, but like really truly see the essence of this place and what it can do to you.
Yeah.
And yeah, I guess that's the vision and
Okay.
that's the plan.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you.